Cylinder head platform. Check all main engine exhaust and cooling water temperatures. Check for cooling water, fuel, and exhaust leaks all around the cylinder heads. What would you do if the jacket cooling and exhaust temperature of a single unit is higher than the others? Maybe the cooling water valve for that particular unit is throttled, or there is faulty combustion. In any case, bring it to the attention of the watch engineer. Check the air start pipes to confirm they are not hot. Include an OST. Check the air start pipes. A hot air start pipe indicates a leaking air starting valve. If you find one of the cylinder's air start pipe is hotter than the others, what would you do? Inform the watch engineer immediately and take necessary action. You can prevent an explosion. The pipe carries fuel at high temperature, so just touch to feel the pulse. What do the pressure pulsations in a fuel pump indicate? The pressure pulsations in the fuel oil high-pressure pipes indicate that the fuel pumps are functioning normally. If there are no pulsations found in a particular fuel pipe, then it shows that the fuel injector is not injecting fuel. Listen for any abnormal noise like knocking, surging, etc. Check the main engine turbocharger inlet and outlet exhaust temperatures. The difference between the inlet and outlet temperatures of a turbocharger shows the heat transfer across the turbine blades. A drop of 200 to 250 degrees centigrade is normal. If it is less, then there is insufficient heat transfer across the blades, which would affect the performance of turbocharger. Check the flow of lube oil in both turbine and blower side bearings, and also check their temperatures. Check manometers across turbocharger blower filters. The manometer pressure difference indicates the condition of turbocharger filters. Auxiliary engines. Check oil level in the sumps of all three generators. Check exhaust, cooling water, and lube oil temperatures of the running generators. Check for abnormalities in temperatures. Check turbocharger bearing oil pressure, inlet and outlet exhaust temperatures. Should you hear a wheezing noise from the turbocharger blower side, what would you check first? The filter on the blower. This is the first thing to be eliminated since the wheezing noise is mainly because of a dirty filter. A good scavenge air pressure itself is a good indication of the entire combustion process. This ensures that the turbocharger is performing well. And if the turbocharger is performing well, it means that all the units are performing well. Check the auxiliary engine bilges for leakages for oil and water. Check for leakages of fuel from fuel pumps. Check the cooler inlet and outlet temperatures. Check rocker arm lube oil level at the tank. Check for abnormal noise from the engine, mainly from the crankcase and turbocharger. Use a screwdriver pressed onto the crankcase to hear any abnormal noise. Compressors. Check the lube oil in sump. Check the LP and HP stage pressures. Check the flow of cylinder oil through quill if provided. Check for abnormal noise. What would you do if you heard a chattering noise from the cylinder head? Because you still not have taken over your watch, you should stop the compressor and immediately inform the duty engineer. Air tanks and bottles. Check bottle pressure. Drain bottles till all the water is removed. Check oil level in gear case of purifiers. Check back pressure of purifiers which are running. Check oil temperatures at inlet to purifiers. Check amperage. Check for abnormal noise. What would you do if you saw a lot of oil flow from the water side sight glass of a running purifier? Try to rectify the fault or stop the purifier and inform the duty engineer. Sometimes this could be serious, especially if it is lube oil as you could lose a lot of oil in a short time.